Wow, look at it. It's so traffic. Why am I doing this? Hala, nabal siya. Why am I doing this? Because I'm so bored. Ooh, I'm so red. Ooh. What time is it? It's only 7:18 in the evening, and as you can see, well, you can't see, but that's the MRT, I think, And now we're moving. And see, kaka-green lang, and then now, red again, kasi ang bagal-bagal ng cars. You know why? Because this is Taft Avenue. So I can't imagine if I studied here. See, yun na yun. Yun na yung movement. Stop na yun. Grabe! Nakakasar! Alam mo ba? Ang layo-layo pa ng bahay ko! And I'm so tired from training. But I'm also bored. As you can see, I'm taking a video. I'm not even sure if can you see my face? Gusto mo may ilaw? Ayan. Can you see me na? Ayan. See? There, over there. Actually, yan. You can't see it. Under LBC. Ano yan? Starbucks. So, ibig sabihin, Diyan umiin yung mga tagalan sa lista. Or hindi may naglalakad. Feeling ko galing yung Lasal. Or Saints ko. Or Benil. Wala lang. Kaya ma'am, tagal-tagal mag-go. You know, may little, doon, yun. Dalawang stoplight yun. Gusto mo hintayin natin mag-go. Tagal-tagal mag-go. Tapos pag nag-go, grabe. Pustahan tayo, hindi pa ako aabot siya. Next time mag-go. See? Yung umbrella, it's raining na. Gutom na ako, hindi pa ako nagdi-dinner kasi baon ko kanina magkano lang. Magkano? 50 pesos. Dalawang siomay lang pwede dun eh. Dalawang siomay. Kala ko ba naman kasi may exam? Wala lang. Pero may vitamins ako. Yun lang. Woo! Can you see the red light? Basta, check mo yun Basta, yun. Yun yung red light. Tagal mag-go, diba? Yan natin naman. Nag-go siya. Piplantin mo. I bet di lang aabot dyan. Hindi ako aabot dyan. Sobrang bagal na kotse. Yan na yung go, Yan na yung go. Uy, aabot ako. Yes! Umabot ako. Okay, sorry, mali. Umabot ako. Yun lang. Wala na. Ang bored ko. Sorry. Tapos now, actually, hindi rin ako umabot kasi, yan, tulay Tinan mo, nasa ilalim ako ng tulay. Tapos, naka-red na siya. Wala lang. Sorry. Tigil ka na, baka mabunggo pa ako. Wala lang, bored.